Yeah.
You got kids? Two.
2 boys.
2 boys.
20 and 4.
Oh, Lord.
We start all over again.
Yes.
But you know what? I think you like them better the older you get. You know, they mean more. When you have your kids when you're old, they mean more to you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. From Brazil, they export a lot of coffee.
Their coffee trees never quit making coffee.
In Hawaii?
In Hawaii, yeah.
Oh, that's something different because it's like coffee. It's like a season.
Yeah, not there.
It'll be a different coffee.
Yeah, it's called Kona coffee.
Can you say?
Kona.
Kona. It's a Hawaiian.
Kona. It's a Hawaiian name, yeah.
Do you know what it
They
means?
say it's supposed to be the best in the world. You can't go by me because I hate coffee.
You don't like coffee?
No, I don't want any part of it. I don't even like the smell of it.
Oh yeah. You know what? I'm laughing because most of the Americans they go crazy for coffee.
Yeah.
You can. There's many different coffee shops everywhere in USA.
Yeah, I know. And I haven't been in one of them.
Oh, in West Bay, because now I'll take it to West End. West End is a village. West Bay is only if you want to go to spend the day. A big community, but there's a few like souvenirs, bars, restaurants. It's a little beach. I mean, just to take some pictures. You see? Do you want to take a walk here or you want
Sure.
Okay, if you're gonna take a walk,
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.